We are loading the truck for a 4-day camping trip to Peacock Flats in the Waianae Mountains. Come on, let's go.
Easy. Bringing up the rear.
Okay. You're doing fine. There's a big rut right in the middle.
We're not on it. Yeah, well, I can see that one. I guess we're okay. Ooh, we went over something. I much prefer to see what I'm driving over. And this down here at the bottom, I think, is where that nasty spot is. Yeah, that is one of the nasty spots.
Oh, look at those rocks.
Yeah, but I think we're okay over here. Just a slow trip through.
After 7.5 miles of this crazy road, we finally reach Peacock Flats. Now it's time to set up camp. This will be our home for the week. The dogs have already picked out their places on the bed. I hope they leave us some room. after dinner, the shadows start getting longer. We build a campfire out in the meadow.
There they are. Huck? They're both over there. Oh, Huck is right behind you. Huck. He's not going there.
In the morning, Sid makes the coffee and I cook the bacon. An early morning walk with the dogs. It's so beautiful here in the morning. Suddenly, there's a lot of barking from down in the woods.
Look at her. Oh, you got video of it. Hope there's not a kitten or something in there. Oh, I don't think so. I don't want to.
Taz, get out of there. Come on, come out.
Come here.
Taz, you need to get your head out of there. Of course, we don't need to know any more than we did.
What we discovered was a mongoose in the stump. Neither of us took a picture. We just grabbed our dogs and ran. The mongoose could do a lot of damage to those little dogs. The next day, we did a hike up a narrow canyon that I've always wanted to explore. There was no trail. It was just boulder hopping and scrambling and climbing.
Okay. Hit the top button. I can't believe you don't have your phone. What, is this the kukui nut? Oh, no.
Like to go up there?
Well, I'm surprised how far we're going.
Yeah. So am I. Oh, look, there's our dogs up there.
What? Oh,
Our dogs are clear up there.
I see them. That's why nothing.
At least they're coming this way. Come on!
Well, that's not Huck.
No, but I'm sure he's there. Unless they left him. You see him yet? Where'd you leave Huck?
This looks like flat walking, but it's really uphill all the way.
Let's sit here on this bench and rest a while.
It's always easier going up than coming down.
Yep, just barely.
Dogs?
I see Muffin up on top of a rock.
There's Izzy. You've got 2 dogs. And that's it. There's Huck.
So where's the other one?
She's probably coming down. It sounds like I can hear her.
Another day is over and we're back in camp.
It's just red.
One of our favorite activities is burning pine cones at night. The next day we found some introduced orchids, so we took some home to plant. Sid is working on her baskets in the background. And the dogs are off on another hunting trip.
I think it looks good.
Mr. Cardinal finishes up all the dog food. All too soon, it's time to pack up and head for home.
Perfect.
We should come clear together, but I think you get out.
I don't think it needs to. Are you ready to go home, Muff? You ready to go home?
is just about the halfway point. Always a relief when we get here. This is one of my favorite ferns, the gold fern. The underside of the leaves are bright gold. They almost look artificial. There's the golf balls. We're almost out.
Did you get drinks out?
Well, I couldn't find it, my Coke, so I got a beer, but I'm not very successful in opening it.
Shit.
We have to call another guard to come let us out now.
Who knows? I guess we'll worry about that.
Because I don't want to, there's no if about it, I'm hungry. When we stop to get something, I don't want to have to go in there dressed like I'm filthy like I am.
No, I don't really want to go around and be anywhere near people.
This is the last gate. We have to wait for the guards here too.